Welcome to a quick guide on Autodesk Assistant in Fusion. It's an AI built directly into the product that can answer questions, guide you, run commands, and customize Fusion for the way you work, all in plain language. Whatever part of the process you find mundane or tedious, that's the place to experiment with Assistant. It can build and run custom add-ins, generate images of your design, set up manufacturing or manage projects, create some parameters, execute modeling, and tons more. The Assistant can be found in the top right corner and collapse by clicking Close at the bottom. In the dialog, you'll see chat, some saved prompts if you have any, your history, and of course, this is still in tech preview. We also just added a link to a playlist of quick tips, and finally, we have some starter prompts to get you going. Let's start with something that used to require writing code. Assistant can now author and run add-ins for you, right in the canvas. Let's look at this one in the manufacturing space. This add-in was created from natural language in the Assistant and is saved in scripts and add-ins just like any other. This one in particular renames the toolpaths with a very specific structure, in this case to include the order, toolpath type, tool number, and tool type. What about needing a visual? You can position your model the way you want it, and then describe the scene you want to see. Generate a render of my open design, maybe a style with an industrial designer line drawing. The Assistant captures the current view and generates a render-styled image. This one's my personal favorite, so really push it to its limits and let your creativity go wild. Now, for your day-to-day modeling, you can of course string commands together and have the Assistant perform the actions directly into your timeline. But that's actually my favorite part of being a designer. So here, I use the Assistant to create all the parameters I had forgotten. And then, if I want, I can even have it create a drawing of a specific design for me. That's a quick look at Autodesk Assistant in Fusion. The best way to get a feel for it is to open it and try a couple of prompts each day. We're also creating individual feature videos for workflows every week. Your feedback directly shapes where the Assistant goes next, so if something works well or if it hits a wall, tell us. We're reading all of them.